It's cold. It's really cold outside. It's like 3 or 4 degrees minus, and these houses that I own are super close to the office, and so I'm listening to Stevie Wonder. I'm nice and warm in my car. I'm freezing now, and I just thought I'd drive past a couple of my houses and check the roofs. Why? Because I want to check that there's still a uniform bit of snow, because that shows me that the insulation is working in the house. And I'm on my second one. I'm going to drive past a few more before I go to the office for a cup of tea. But look, I mean, so you might as well just take advantage of stuff. So, the weather's terrible. Okay, so if the weather's terrible and if your properties are super close like mine are, all of mine are 17 minutes from my house and from my office, and my house and my office are, golly, I think about 15 minutes from each other. So they're all in this circle, apart from the one I own in Glasgow where my son used to go when he was at college. So it's going to take me like 20 minutes just to drive around a small number of my houses to make sure that the insulation is sorted out within the houses. Because do you know what? It's going to be super cheap to get insulation in otherwise, and it'd be much more cosy for the tenants. And because we do HMOs, shared houses, all bills inclusive, it's going to be much cheaper for me. And I'm listening to Stevie Wonder. Right? Take advantage. Where there's a problem, like freezing cold weather, just figure out the big thing that's going to be useful for you. See you soon. Bye.